The book of Hebrews chapter 13 verse 8, Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today and forever. As you are starting your day, uNkulunkulu wethu, he is the same yesterday, today and forever. Akashintshi, akaguquki. Lo uNkulunkulu owakhuluma wathi makube khona umhlaba waba khona kusesenguwena namhlanje. Lo uNkulunkulu wavula ulwandle olubomvu, Israel wahamba emhlabathini womile kusesenguwena namhlanje. He is still the same. Akaguquki. Uma akwazi ukwenza izinto ezinkulu kangaka lo uNkulunkulu, kusho ukuthi nasempilweni yakho usengazenza izinto ezinkulu ngoba akaguquki. Lo uNkulunkulu wakwazi ukwenza wesifazana owayesehlale for 12 years enenkinga yesifo somopho wamelapha kusesenguwina namhlanje. Lo uNkulunkulu wakwazi ukuvula owesilisa owayezalwe ngabone impumputha amehlo akhe avuleka kusesenguye futhi namhlanje. Lo uNkulunkulu wakwazi ukuthi esiza indoda ebisihlale for 38 years ngasechibini igula wafike wayiphatha ngezandla yaphila kusesenguwina namhlanje. He is still the same. Ngakho ke uma kusesenguye lo uNkulunkulu owayekhona kudala kusesenguwina namhlanje, how can he fail to fix your mess? How can he fail to fix your problems? How can he fail ukulungisa isimo sakho? Uma kusesenguye kusho ukuthi nesimo sakho sengasilungisa, nendaba yakho sengayilungisa. Ngicela ukukukhumbuza namhlanje ukuthi he is still the same yesterday, today and forever. He is still the same God. Na kwi situation yakho sengangenelela avele ngamandla ashintshe isimo sakho. Be reminded today, he is still the same. Lo owavula ulwandle olubomvu senguye futhi usengenza izinto ezinkulu nasempilweni yakho. Na namhlanje lokho okufisayo nokukhulekelayo usengakwenza ngoba usesenguye, akakashintsha, akakaguquki. Khuleka kuye kulo uNkulunkulu, usenamandla okwenza izinto ezinkulu nasempilweni yakho. Washintsha amanzi emshadweni waseKhana seGalile abayiwayini, nesimo sakho sengasishintsha. Wakwazi ukuthi uPaul benosila baphume ejele nyakazisa indonga zejele nendonga zezimpo obhekene nazo senganyakazisa uphunyuke. He is still the same yesterday, today and forever. Ayimphumlani inkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.